Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing delicious recipe with banana. It's very easy to make and you don't need an oven to make this at home. Let's get started. I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour and adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda and pinch of salt. First mix all the ingredients and keep this aside until next part is ready. I am taking 2 medium-size ripped banana and cut them into smaller pieces. Now I am taking a bowl and put them into bowl. Then I am adding 2 medium-size eggs, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, and I am using a mixer to mix these ingredients well. After that I am adding ½ cup of sugar, ¼ cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of milk and mix them again with the mixer. Make sure you mix them at least for 5 minutes. After mixing them I am adding the flour mixture which we kept ready in the beginning and then mixing them again. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for the taste and continue mixing them using the mixture for a few minutes. Here I am adding some chocolate chips to my recipe, and this is optional. Then I am mixing them again. Now it's time for the final step. I am applying some oil in my tray and you can use butter as well. Then I am using a baking paper at the bottom of my tray. At this moment I would like to know from which country you are joining with us to send you a special greetings in the next recipe. Then I am using a bamboo stick to mix the batter little bit to make sure no air bubbles left when I transfer to the tray. And I am adding more chocolate chips on top. Now preheat your cooking pan in medium flame for 5 minutes and I am using a wire rack to keep the tray. After 5 minutes reduce the flame to low and keep the tray inside your cooking pan and cover it. You have to keep this closed for 20 to 25 minutes. Exact time will depend on your cooker flames. After 20 minutes open the lid and check with a bamboo stick or you can use a toothpick as well. If your bread is ready, bamboo stick will come out clean. Let it cool down for a few minutes. I am using some icing sugar on top and this is also optional. Now it's ready for serving. You can slice the banana bread and enjoy with your family or friends. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.